This is my keto version of Dalgona coffee. It's Tik Tok coffee. It's delicious. It's really easy to make. Dalgona coffee. This is a Tik Tok coffee or a South Korean coffee, and it's really interesting. This is my keto version of this. And take a container like this, and I've got 2 tablespoons of espresso instant coffee. And I know, instant coffee, but it's how you make it. In we go with that. For the keto part, I've got Swerve Brown Sugar. It adds a really nice maple flavor. So I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons. I've got 2 tablespoons of water, and I'm going to whip it up. There we go. I've whipped that up into a nice, it's like a caramel. Okay. It's nice and thick. It's like a whipped cream. You can see what that looks like. And what I'm going to do is I've got crushed ice, and I'm going to put crushed ice up about 3/4 full here. The measurements for this are down below in the show notes. And this is almond milk. I'm going to put some almond milk in, right up to about the top of the ice. And now I'm going to spoon this delicious mixture right on top, like that. Look at that. The Swerve Brown really adds a nice flavor to it. And I just put a reusable straw in there. Look at that, Tik Tok coffee. Doesn't that look delicious? Dalgona coffee, Tik Tok coffee. Try it, it's yummy. Thanks for watching.